Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable lock screen and do not disturb on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Do Not Disturb. Then in the Do Not Disturb, scroll down and go to Customize Screen section, then choose this one. Then after that, go to your lock screens. Then you can choose the lock screens that you want in this part by putting a check mark on the small circle located on the lower part of the lock screens that you want. If you want to enable, just put check mark, and if you want to disable, just remove the check mark. And if you're done, just click Done located on the upper corner of the screen, and your lock screen is now enabled. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled lock screen and Do Not Disturb on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.